Hello, lovely yogi. Welcome to Flow with Shreya. I'm Shreya, and today I'm bringing you a fundamentals yoga flow. In this flow, we'll be focusing on the fundamental postures that help us build strength, create flexibility, and mobility within our body to advance our yoga practice. So whether you're a beginner or you just want to get back to the basics today, come flow with me.
Meet me in a seated position. Take any seat that feels comfortable to you. Take a moment to roll your shoulders down and back a few times. Release any tension. Close your eyes and tune in to your breath. Place one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly. And just notice the rise and fall of your chest and belly as you expand with your breath in. Contract with your breath out. Let go of your day, let go of any plans or to-do lists. For the next 10 to 12 minutes, it's just you and your breath. Your only responsibility is to breathe. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Open your eyes and inhale, send your arms up overhead, bring your palms to heart center. Inhale your arms up, connecting your breath with your movement. Exhale the palms to heart center. One more time, inhale, exhale the palms to heart center. This time, inhale your arms up, and as you exhale, fold forward. Let your palms rest wherever they land. Take a deep breath in, drop your jaw and side away. Deep inhale, and as you exhale, release all the air through your mouth. You can take a couple more breaths like this if you'd like, or maybe even open and close your jaw a few times, releasing any tension you might be holding onto there. As you exhale, roll over onto your hands and knees. Find yourself in your tabletop. Bringing your wrists, elbow, and shoulder all in one line. And bringing your knees underneath your hips. Take a moment to adjust and shift. As you inhale, drop your belly low and lift your chest high. As you exhale, arch your upper back and look through your thighs. Inhale for your cow pose. Tuck your tailbone under as you exhale for your cat pose. Take a few more rounds here following your own breath, taking it as slow and gentle as you need to. Inhale into your cow pose. Exhale into your cat pose. On your next inhale, meet me in a neutral spine, and as you exhale, send your right foot back. Plant the ball of your foot down and just shift forward and back or side to side, stretching out the back of your right leg. You might really feel this in your right calf. Exhale, bring the right knee back to center. And inhale, extend the left leg back, plant the toes down and press the heel back as you shift in any way that feels good in the back of your left leg. You might even open up your hips here. Exhale, bring your left knee back to center. Inhale, send your right arm up to the ceiling. As you exhale, thread the right arm underneath the left. Plant your right shoulder and cheek down on the mat. You can keep the left palm where it is or extend the left fingertips towards the top of your mat. You can even bring that left arm up and behind your back. But take a moment here to tuck your toes under to find a little bit of stability and to keep your hips even with each other. Wherever you choose to take your arms, make the evenness of your hips a priority. Just find your breath. As you exhale, press into the left palm underneath the left shoulder. Inhale, send the right arm up to the ceiling. Exhale, plant the right palm down. Inhale, send the left fingertips high. Exhale, thread the left arm underneath the right as you bring your left shoulder and cheek towards your mat. Again, the right palm can stay underneath the right shoulder. The right fingertips can extend forward, or the right arm can go behind your back. Making sure that your hips are even here as a stable place to twist your spine from. Deep breath in and out. On an exhale, press into your right palm underneath your right shoulder. Release the left arm up to the ceiling, and then plant the left palm down. Make your way back to center, and then inhale your right arm forward. Exhale, engage the core. Inhale the left leg back. Press the heel back here, flexing at the ankle, finding your spinal balance. As you exhale, bring your knee towards your elbow. Inhale and lengthen. Exhale, squeeze the core, knee to elbow. Inhale, find length. Exhale, squeeze the knee towards your elbow. Inhale, find length once more. As you exhale, plant the palm and knee back down. Inhale, send the left arm out in front of you. Exhale, engage the core. Inhale, send the right leg back. Again, find the time to balance here, and know that you can tuck your left toes under for that balance and stability. And then we'll take those crunches again, knee to elbow as you exhale. Inhale, find length. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale, extend out long. Exhale, crunch it in. Inhale, extend long once more. Exhale, plant the knee and palm down. Find a couple of shifts here, and then as you inhale, walk your palms forward and bring your belly down to the mat. Bringing your palms underneath your shoulders. Zipper up your legs if you can. As you inhale, lift just your chest and upper rib cage off the mat. Exhale, nose to mat. Inhale, press into the tops of your feet as you lift your chest. Exhale, nose to mat. Inhale, find your baby cobra once more. And rather than craning your neck up here, look out just ahead of you. Exhale, lower your nose to your mat. On your next exhale, tuck the toes under and shift your hips up and back for a downward facing dog. You can pause in tabletop if you'd like. And take a moment here just to pedal out your feet, shift and adjust. Take your fingers as wide as you can. Press into the base of your thumb and index finger. Maybe lower and lift your heels a few times. Hug the belly button up and in. Press your chest towards your thighs. Send your tailbone up towards the sky and heels down towards the floor, creating length in the backs of your legs. Inhale, send your right toes up. As you exhale, step the right foot forward in between your palms. Turn the back heel in. Engage the core as you rise for your warrior one. Take your time adjusting here. Engage your core. Deep bend in the front knee. As you exhale, open up wide to your side into your warrior two. You can widen your stance here. Open up the right knee to track towards your right pinky toe. Roll your shoulders down and back. Again, the core is engaged. Find your breath. Inhale and reverse your warrior. As you exhale, cartwheel the palms down, framing your right foot. Step back, lower onto your knees. Exhale, find your modified chaturanga. Inhale into baby cobra or upward facing dog. Exhale into your downward facing dog. This is your vinyasa, and it's always an option. As you inhale, send the left leg up. Exhale, step the left foot in between your palms. Inhale and rise to your warrior one. Back heel turns in. hips squaring towards the top of your mat. Inhale, look up. Exhale, open up wide to your side into your warrior two pose. Again, widen your stance here if you need to, so you can sink the hips low. Keep both legs engaged here. Roll the shoulders down and back. Breathe in and out. Inhale, reverse your warrior. Exhale, frame the left foot. Step back, find your Vinyasa, modified chaturanga, lower down. Inhale, the chest high. Exhale into your downward facing dog. Find your breath here. Inhale, bend the knees, look forward. Exhale, step forward. Separating your feet, hips with distance. Grab onto opposite forearms or elbows and find your ragdoll here. Shake out your neck. Release any tension. You can find movement or stillness here. Exhale, release the palms. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, rise up all the way. Exhale the palms to heart center. Inhale, lift your arms. Exhale, swan dive and fold forward. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step back. Vinyasa or not, find your way to downward facing dog. I will be taking that same sequence, one breath per movement. Find your breath. Inhale, the right leg up. Exhale, step it forward. Inhale, rise to your warrior one. Follow your breath. Exhale to your warrior two. Inhale and reverse your warrior. Exhale, frame the right foot. Find your way to downward facing dog, Vinyasa or not. You might be going slower or faster than me and my cues, and that's okay. Follow your breath. Inhale, send your left leg up. Exhale, step it forward. Inhale, rise to your warrior one. Exhale, open up to your warrior two. Inhale and reverse your warrior. Exhale, cartwheel the palms down, step back, lower down halfway or all the way. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale to your downward facing dog. Now here in your downward facing dog, find your breath. Exhale, lower your knees down to the mat. Find a child's pose. You can bring your knees in close here and maybe even send your arms by your shins. This is just a variation of child's pose. Catch your breath. Deepen your breath. And release. You can stay here a little bit longer, transition into a Shavasana, or move on to another flow.
Thank you so much for joining me today. If you want to keep going and flow a little more, check out any of the videos in my Vinyasa playlist. I'll link it in the cards as well as in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, it always means a lot if you click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Be sure to turn on your notifications as well if you don't want to miss out on new videos every Friday. As always, what I'm wearing, the mat I'm practicing on, and any props we've used will be linked in the description box below. Wishing you lots of love and peace. Namaste.